Carbon monoxide.
And this is our poster on carbon monoxide. I have written all the content on here about the facts.
Hi, my name is Duncan, and I have done this. This is a picture that I have drawn. I have also done what we see here as the carbon monoxide, or the title. Another thing that I have done three things. I have also provided information for these here boxes. And that's what I do.
Hi, I'm Tim. On this carbon monoxide poster, I've provided the photos here, here, and here. I've also provided information for some of these boxes. And I've also provided the group with filming and editing this project. So, the statistics of carbon monoxide. Every year, 20 to 30,000 people in the United States are sickened by accidental poisoning from carbon monoxide, and approximately 500 of them die in their own homes.
Carbon monoxide is produced whenever you use an engine, stove, lantern, grill, fireplaces, furnaces, cars, a lot of things.
So, basically, right here. What does carbon monoxide do, bro? Now, carbon monoxide reduces the amount of oxygen carried in your blood by reducing the amount of oxygen able to be carried by hemoglobin. It's not a made-up word. The effect of this is that tissues and organs will not work properly. That's not very good. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning for just those short-term kids: dull headaches, weakness, nausea or vomiting, shortness of breath, confusion, blurred vision, or loss of consciousness. I wouldn't like to have any of that. So the long-term effects, you could have seizures, lethargy, comas, or even death.
So some safety precautions you can take to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning is you can install a battery-powered or battery backup carbon monoxide detector or alarm. You have your heating system, water heater, or coal/gas powered devices inspected or serviced. Do not use portable flameless chemicals heaters indoors. If you smell an odor coming from your gas refrigerator, have an expert service it for it might be leaking carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, flammable, toxic gas that is produced when carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, toxic gas. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, toxic, flammable gas that is produced by the incomplete combustion. Carbon monoxide is the colorless, odorless, toxic, flammable gas produced by incomplete combustion. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, toxic, flammable gas produced by the incomplete combustion of carbon. Carbon monoxide is produced whenever you Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, toxic, flammable gas Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, flammable gas formed by incomplete combustion of carbon. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, flammable gas formed by incomplete combustion of carbon. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, flammable gas formed by incomplete combustion of carbon.
So basically what we got here, what does carbon monoxide do to your body? Now when you think about that, you might want to be thinking something about carbon monoxide reduces the amount of oxygen carried in your blood by reducing the amount of oxygen able to be carried by hemoglobin. So basically when you have what does carbon monoxide do to your body? You might want to be thinking of carbon monoxide reduces the amount of oxygen carried in the blood by reducing the amount of oxygen able to be carried by hemoglobin. The effect of this is that tissues and organs will not be able to work properly. The symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning, short term, would be something like dull headaches, weakness, nausea, shortness of breath, confusion, blurred vision.
Go, freak!
So
Whatever, you're selling.
So safety precautions you can take to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning is you can install a battery-powered